السلام عليكم.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. يا هلا وسهلا.
أهلا ومرحبا.
كيف طيب إن شاء الله.
يا هلا.
الله يحييك. شكرا لك.
مرحبا. أهلا وسهلا. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم.
تفضل.
كيف حالكم؟
أهلا وسهلا. كيف حالكم طيب إن شاء الله؟
شكرا جزيلا. الحمد لله.
أبد الشكر لكم. فرصة سعيدة وتشرفت الله يحفظك.
شكرا. If I may speak in English,
Yes,
my
please,
Arabic is very limited.
No, English is fine. English, whatever makes you comfortable, Excellency.
Yeah.
But I mean, in any case, thank you so much for being here. It's a great pleasure.
Well, the pleasure is mine. It's a great pleasure to see you and to discuss some of the new challenges that you're facing collectively in the region. And I would like to also update you on the situation in Iraq, and also to convey my best regards to His Majesty the King and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince. See you in the
My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Give him space to go, please.